everyone, today I have a drawing tutorial and this time I'm showing you how to do some little nature doodles that are perfect for your bullet journal. But before we get started, I just wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Squarespace. They are the place to go if you need to create a website, domain, or online shop. I've been using them for years for my personal website and I love them. If you're interested, follow my link below and you can get 10% off your first purchase. So I've divided this video into 7 different sections of doodles, and the first is mountains. So this is my go-to way of quickly doodling mountains in my journal. It's pretty simple and easy to follow along with if you want to try drawing these yourself, and it's very easy to customize if you want to add a bit more detail than I did. In this video I'm also going to do a little circle vignette with each doodle, just showing you how you can use them and create a little design, and this is also perfect for adding a little bit extra to your bullet journal or regular journal or whatever you want to doodle on. I love doing these little circle designs. Next, I'm going to show you a couple different ways for how to draw very simple trees. So this first one is kind of an abstracted or simplified pine tree. It just is a straight line and then some kind of arrows going up the tree. So that one is super simple. This next one has a bit more detail, so I started with the trunk of the tree and did a few limbs, and then I just drew a bunch of leaf shapes coming off of the limbs. The third one is another pine tree or Christmas tree, and I did a little trunk at the bottom and then just a bunch of squiggles going up in a triangle shape. And then the last one is just a bare tree to kind of represent what some of the trees look like right now in the winter. And then once again I did a vignette with a couple of these trees, and I wrote the words "Seek Adventure" just as a cute little design. Third, I'm going to show you how to do this little camping scene by showing you how to draw a tent and a fire. So the tent shape is not that difficult if you just follow along with what I'm doing. It's really basic shapes. And the fire is also pretty simple. You probably could figure out how to draw it yourself, but I still wanted to give you the idea. And then you can put them together to create a cute little camping scene. Next, I wanted to mix it up a little bit and show you some desert plants instead of the typical forest plants. So here are some different ways of drawing cacti. These are really fun to draw because they come in so many different shapes and sizes, and they don't need to be perfect. You can even kind of make up the shapes and it will look like a cactus. So here are a few ideas, or you can make up your own cacti shapes. Fifth, I had to include some flower drawings, even though I have done 2 other videos entirely dedicated to drawing flowers. This just wouldn't be a complete nature doodle video without some. So I did a few little designs that I might not have shown you before, and these are super simple, don't involve too much detail, and are easy to add to your journal. So take these ideas if you want to add a little floral design in your bullet journal. Six, I am showing you some little celestial doodles that you can do. I don't know if this is a stretch considering this is a nature doodle, but I figure space is still nature related, so I did some really easy designs you've already probably done before, but I wanted to give you the idea and show you how you can do this cute little vignette. And I also added some flowers just because I like mixing up the flowers and the space theme. I think it's pretty. And last, to finish off this nature doodle video, I want to show you how to draw a little cabin in the woods. So to do this, start off by drawing a three-dimensional box shape and then follow what I am doing to add the detail to make it look like a log cabin. And then you can add some of the drawings we did earlier to add more detail to the little forest scene. I did some pine trees and mountains, and I really like how this final vignette turned out. And before I end this video, I just wanted to mention Squarespace one more time. I love them so much because they are the best place to go to build a website if you don't have any web design skills. So a couple years ago when I first started my personal website, I had no idea how to go about creating a website, and that's why I tried out Squarespace, because they have these templates that are so easy to customize and create a beautiful and professional looking website so easily. So I really recommend you check them out if you are looking to build a website, and you can follow my link below to get 10% off your first purchase with them. As always, I just want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it gave you some inspiration for drawings you can do in your journal. And if you try any of these out, tag me in your photos on Instagram so I can check out your beautiful creations. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys!